makes your design manufacturable and what you need to consider before choosing your path of?
Sure, there's been quite a paradigm shift in designing. It used to be that you have the end product in mind and the manufacturing method and design straight to the end product. Now we have the 3D printing industry and the rapid prototyping that's available has designers taking an intermediate step where they often only consider the requirements of that prototyping, rapid prototyping method. But I'm suggesting that they also clearly consider the end process in mind that is going to be used to produce the parts, to try and incorporate the design features that allow that end manufacturing method to be applied while still accommodating all of the requirements of the rapid prototyping. So I'm just suggesting that that's something they have to keep in mind, and some of the newer designers think about making the first prototypes and they don't think so much about making the final items in production.
So you really have to think about the quantities that go behind the end product and how much you plan to sell of it.
You bet, to choose the proper method to produce the parts.
Okay.
Exactly.
Got
yes.
it.